Hello lovelies, it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Welcome back to another tutorial, and this tutorial is all about creating a bouquet to put a smile on someone's face. We're also going to talk about what is the cool thing about wood flowers that you might not know as far as gifting to certain people in a certain type of situation. Is that enough of a teaser to get you to watch a little bit more of the video? Great, let's jump into it. I am so excited about this project. As you know, probably, maybe, I know it does get asked a lot. Here at Oh You're Lovely, Maggie and I, it is a partnership. We co-own Oh You're Lovely. All of our product ships out of North Carolina, and I work out of my studio. That was a garage in my backyard in Wisconsin. And it gets asked quite a bit if we sell finished pieces. We don't. Not at this time. Maybe sometime down in the future we will see, but for right now, and for the last 5 years, no, we have not ever sold finished pieces. So I do get asked quite a bit, and I normally do not take on custom work or anything like that. However, today we are going to work on a piece. I had one of my local neighbors reach out to me. They know of me and they know of the wood flowers, and they have a friend that's in the hospital and would like to bring them an arrangement. The fun thing about wood flowers that you might not know is, and you can need to check with the hospital, each hospital has their different rules and policies, but typically a lot of hospital rooms, and depending on the severity of the person and their health, fresh flowers are not allowed in the room. And an alternative can be wood flowers. Again, it does depend on the hospital, so check with that before you are going to make an arrangement to give to somebody. But I have myself personally dropped off wood flower bouquets to friends and family who've been in the hospital without any issues. And that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna make, all she asked me was to make something bright and colorful and just to bring a smile to her friend's face. And I said, say less, I'm on it. So I am gonna work on this, but again, it's not a norm for me. I don't do custom work. If you just hit me up at the right time, I might be like, yeah, I want to do that. But normally I don't do finished pieces for people. So all of that to say, we are going to dive into this. I don't know that there's going to be a lot of chatting. I think we're just going to kind of play, but I will show you. Hold up, wait, before I do that. If you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to know the next time we post a video, which is typically on Wednesdays, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you're notified every time a new video goes up. Also, if you're interested in the wood flowers, craft supplies, or greenery, go check out ohyourlovely.com. But before you do, let me give you something. Use the code YouTube30 to save 30% off one regular priced order. Okay, all of that out of the way. Let's jump into this, and I will show you the greenery that I'm going to be using, which I think might come as a surprise to you guys. It's a lot of silk flowers, but you know what we're gonna do? I'm actually gonna save all these daisies for another project I have in mind. And I think I actually, at some point, I'm going to take some of these flowers as inspiration for dyeing some of the wood flowers. They've got like little, and same with this one, like little pops of pink in the centers, little pops of yellow and pink on the leaves together. Like this color is just lovely with all of this. So I probably am gonna recreate some of this silk flowers, but I really liked the greenery that's involved because here are some of the flowers that we're gonna be using. And then here are more. Oh, pink. We went very heavy on the pink. I think I might need to go grab some yellow flowers as I'm looking at this. I'm gonna go grab a couple light yellow flowers and then we'll get to it. So I gotta stem those up real quick. So meet me back here in 2 seconds for you, but probably about 5 minutes for me, and we'll get to making this. There is guys, our greenery. I did keep a few of the daisies because they were toppers on these pieces. I could have taken them off, but I figured it'll go well with everything we've got going here. And the vase we're gonna be using is this lovely vintage piece. I do have chicken wire in there. That way then when they get home, if they want this vase for something else, they can take all the flowers and stuff out and they have a new arrangement if they want. I also need to take off the price sticker on here. I apparently paid $8 for this vase. Go me. It's so pretty. It's so heavy. It's just the prettiest milk glass piece. So I hope it brings them a little bit of joy too. All right, so let's get all of this in here. Well, there you have it, lovelies. If this doesn't scream happiness, I'm not sure what it does. This particular flower, this lovely rose, has been sitting over on my shelf for a couple years now, I feel like, waiting for the perfect project. And I think we found it. I really do hope they enjoy it and love it, and it brings them a little bit of sunshine during a difficult time. If you yourself make a project, bring a little happiness to somebody, a little joy, make sure to tag us over on Instagram, Oh You're Lovely, all one word, hashtag it, or tag us at Oh You're Lovely. I think it's Oh You're Lovely Official over on Instagram. Those are connected. I'll make sure they're linked in the comments too. I always forget, some of them are Oh You're Lovely and Oh You're Lovely Official, just depending on what's available, folks. 5 years ago. More than that now. Okay, anywhoosies, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you're interested in finding out about the 150 style sola wood flowers, craft supplies, and greenery, go on over to ohyourlovely.com and use that code YouTube30 to get 30% off one regular priced order. All right, you guys, I will see you next week for another tutorial. Until then, I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely. You, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye.